What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video and in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can access picture in Messenger. So for those people who do not know how to access this, basically it means you guys have not yet provided permission for Messenger to access your gallery. So if you guys don't know what this function is, then you can allow all the permission for your app or like for your Messenger to access on your phone. That's the only way Messenger can access your photos. Otherwise, if you try to upload a photo or if you try to see a photo using your Messenger, then you can. Alright, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you in order to access your picture in Messenger. So if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And let's jump into the video without any further ado. First step, you close your Messenger and then you want to go on your setting. Once you go on your settings, scroll all the way down until you see Messenger. Once you see Messenger, click on it and make sure all the setting is turned on. And after all the setting is turned on, go on where it says all photos. Once you go on all photos, click on where it says all photos. Alright, so once you click on all photos, go back. So on my screen it showed me all photos at the beginning, but in your screen if it doesn't shows you all photo, just make sure you click on photos. Alright, I said all photos, but you guys might get confused like, oh no, my screen doesn't shows me all photos. Don't worry, where it says photos, just click on it and make sure all photo is ticked. Alright, once you do that, just go back, open your Messenger, and you should be able to access your photo on your Messenger. If it doesn't work, delete your Messenger, reinstall it again, and do the process which I just did by going to setting, go to all photo. Alright, so that's how this thing works. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel app tutorial, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day everybody. Peace out.